And this is the amp install. To install an amp, you're just going to take off the screw there, screw there, screw there, there, and there. We're going to take this piece off, and it allows you access to everything, and you'll see where we place the subwoofer. And here we are with that kick panel released. You can get up in here, get behind your radio, and you can see got cables that you're going to need right here. So not too bad, very easy to get to. And then we'll be mounting the subwoofer up here. So here we are behind the radio. Make this simple for you. Take that loom out so that you can have access to all these wires. What you're going to be looking for is these line out wires, RCA cables. Literally says line out on them. So these two, and then you're going to need this remote wire. You're going to run that to your amp. That's what's going to turn on your amp when you turn your radio on. So just these three wires right here, that's it. So this is the amp that we're going with. It's a Rockville. It is not a marine unit, but it'll work just fine. Super simple. You're going to run your 12 volt straight from your battery. You're going to run remote to that blue or purple wire. I'm colorblind, so don't know which one it is, but it says remote on it. And then your ground. That should be easy enough to figure out for you. Also going to run in low input RCAs from the RCAs in the back.